screaming. Some more over here. Sorry, I just cut it off. I accidentally hit the stop button. It doesn't. It just straight up doesn't. Yes, that's right, guys. 2025, which means in 4 months and 22 days time, I may or may not do a face reveal. But I won't promise that. I can promise you that I won't promise that I'll do a face reveal this year. But probably within this year. Definitely before 2027. Okay? I can promise before 2027 a face reveal. But I can't promise that it's most recent.
Okay, shut up.
It's not over yet. See, that's what you could have missed if you left. I was a red bat that flew over there. Whoa. Alright. Fireworks are going over there. There's a little fire going up there as well. We're releasing, see? Shut up! Not done yet. Imagine the funding of all this.
Free Palestine!
Why are people literally just saying Free Palestine? Okay, I won't be racist or anything, but I literally just said Free Palestine. But I literally just said why they're saying Free Palestine. Damn it. I think they're Palestinians. So to any Palestinians out there, I'm not trying to be racist. Sorry about all the noise. Comment if you missed half of it, I'm sorry. It was a good show. Good while lasted.
Woo! Time to go home.
2025 has come. Make your wishes while they last. And I'll see you all in another video one day. Bye bye.